The meaning of finance, it's the blood that allows meaningful things to happen within the economy. In the public markets, it is relatively seamless. Investors of all shapes and sizes can go onto the exchange and find opportunities in terms of shares, in terms of bonds, and so on. In the private markets, venture capital, private companies, private debt, hedge funds, these are not open to all but the most wealthy and well-connected investors and institutions. Is there a fundamental reason why the average investor cannot access them? There isn't.
Technology has completely and drastically changed public markets to the point that anywhere in the world with an app, you can actually access, buy shares of a company like Apple or Microsoft and educate yourself on public markets. This is a transformation that has been enabled by technology over the last couple of years that has dramatically changed the public markets. Now, when you look at the private markets, that transformation has not yet taken place. And I believe we are on the verge of what will be the transformation of the private markets. And ADDX is at the very frontier of that.
First of all, we provide very unique and world-class investment opportunities that users don't have access to today. By that, I mean exclusive private equity opportunities, hedge funds, etc. Secondly, ADDX provides a very seamless experience because we have an integrated approach. By that I mean we provide the issuance, the custody and the trading on the secondary market for security tokens.
We operate under the Monetary Authority of Singapore, also known as MAS, licensing regimes. We're subject to very strict MAS review. They ensure a very high level of scrutiny around our processes. It also means that we have to ensure that our platform is performing at a very high level. So any outage, any downtime needs to be reported to MAS. Investors should feel very comfortable that we are MAS licensed because the strict regime that MAS and the strict review that MAS takes with us I think is meant to protect investors in many, many ways. We also have a very strong set of shareholders, including SGX, Heliconia, Patra from Thailand, Tokai from Japan, and Hanwha from Korea.
Seamless capital flows from investors who want good investment opportunities to good companies and projects who need financing. That flow is going to become more frictionless, and as a result, enterprise economy is going to benefit. As a digital platform, we are effectively borderless. We are open to projects and issuers and investors from almost every part of the world. And indeed, we do have international clients investing via our platform as well.
FinTech and what it brings, the future of digitization has to be led by what we're doing here in the private markets.